I hope you're doing so good. I miss you. I hope you had a great weekend and you're ready to work. And I wish you were here. The classroom is so empty and boring without you. So let's go through our lesson this week. This week we're learning the sound ow that can stand for the sound OU. So we have OU as in owl, like a scholar owl is our mascot. Blend the sounds to make a word with the diphthong ow. Okay, ready? Owl, owl. H, ow, how. B, ow, bow. Or that could be b-o, bow. Our language is a bit confusing. W, ow, wow. D, ow, down. Cr, ow, crown. Cr, ow, d, crowd. Fur, fur, ow, frown. Look at the pictures. These pictures use ow to make the sound ow. They use OW to make the ow sound. It says to write the word. We can write it on a piece of paper or a whiteboard if you have it, or you can just work with me and blend the words. Cool. Can't see it. Cool. Ow. Clown. That's so cute. G. Ow. Gown. Cr. Owd. Crowd. B. Ow. Bow. Cr. Ow. Crown. Now read the sentences and write the words with the diphthong OW on your personal board. And once again, you can write it on a piece of paper, or we can just work together using our voices. The crowd is very noisy. Crowd. The king wore a crown. Crown. Did the clown frown when he fell down? Very, very much a rhyming sentence. Clown, frown, down. Now we're going to build the words with the OU diphthong, and it says to use the letters. I did not send those home, but we can just work together using our voices once again. So build the word, and then, build the word, read the word. So we have the word down, down. Now change d to fur, 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 ow, frown. Build the word wow. Now change the beginning sound to b, b, ow. Build the word ow. Now change the t to cool. Cool, ow, clown. Good job. Now let's read each sentence in a whisper voice and then talk to someone in your home to finish the sentence. I just talked to myself. I want to know how to play the piano. I frown when, well, that one's easy lately. I frown when my students are not here. The clown is, I would say scary. Funny or scary, depends on how you think that sounds. The letters OU can also stand for the sound ow. So we have ouch, couch. I don't know about you, but I've been spending a lot of time on my couch bored without you guys. Okay, now blend the words to make a word with the diphthong ow, OU. Ouse, house. We're stuck in our houses. Ouse, mouse. Shh, out, shout. There's teacher's favorite blend. Shh, we're shopping. Out, count. Out, out. Now look at the pictures. These pictures use the ow sound, the OU, to make the ow sound. Let me move myself. Ouse, mouse. Ouse, house. Shh, out, shout. No, wait. Now read the sentences and write the words with the diphthong OU on your personal board. And once again, we'll just talk about it. We'll read it together. The mouse is in the house. Mouse, house. Kind of reminds me of a Dr. Seuss rhyme. The cat and hat. Not the cat and hat. Green eggs and ham. They will shout at the ball game. Oh, there's a compound word. Ball game. Ball game. We found a mouse in the closet. Found and a mouse. Okay. Once again, we're going to build the words with the OU this time instead of OW, but it does make the same sound. That is what is tricky about this week's spelling words, is that you'll always hear the ow sound, the picture sound ow, but sometimes spelled OW and sometimes spelled OU. So you have to really practice this week, okay? So, ouse, mouse. Change the beginning sound to ouse, house. Read the word out. Now change the beginning sound from p to sh, out, shout. Build the word found, found. Now change the beginning sound from f to hound, hound. Now read each sentence in a whisper voice and talk to someone in your house to finish the sentence. My house is brick. I pout when I'm hungry. I get hangry. Oh, can't see that one. I found a penny. Lucky penny. Okay, here's the next one. High frequency words, so we're going to say, spell, and say. Color. C-O-L-O-R. Red is my favorite color. What is your favorite color? She woke up early. Early. E-A-R-L-Y. There's that crazy Y that sounds like an E at the end. Early. Early. She woke up early. I have not been waking up very early since we haven't been in school. Sleeping in a bit. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Can you see him? What do you want to do instead? Does this look like a lot of kids in our class with some missing teeth? Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. Oh, compound word. No thing. Nothing. Nothing. There is nothing in the jar. This word, really short word, but you can't sound it out. It is O. O. O-H-O. Oh, I did not see you. I like those eyes. Okay, this one. Thought. Thought. See, she had an idea. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. She thought about her dream. Now look at the picture and write, or we'll just use our voices, to the high frequency word that describes the picture. It's supposed to pop up. It's not doing it right now. So, color. C-O-L-O-R. Early. E-A-R-L-Y. Instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Nothing. I said nothing. Nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G. O-O-H. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Now look at the word carefully and it won't flash on our screen. It usually does a little flash. And I can't get the screen to record and flash at the same time. So anyway, here we go. Color. Early. Instead. Nothing. Oh. Thought. Now look at the high frequency words. There are missing letters. Let's talk about which letters are missing. And they're actually not missing because once again it won't flash for me. Color. Early. Instead. Nothing. There's our ing brothers, the triplet ing. Oh. Thought. Now read the sentence and we'll talk about the high frequency word that you see in each sentence. I thought about my mom. Oh no, there is a snake. We'd be running, wouldn't we? Nothing is in my lunchbox. Oh, that would be sad. Nothing. Instead of doing math, we will do science. Pam will get to school early. The sun is the color yellow. Now read the sentence and we'll talk about the high frequency word that happens in each sentence. What is your favorite color? Let's see, I think we were supposed to match color. I thought about my sick friend. You choose thought. Oh boy. Oh. The sun rises early in the morning. We would match early. I want a cat instead of a dog. Instead. There is nothing to do while we wait. Nothing. Now read each question in a whisper voice and write your answer. We're just going to talk about it once again. I get up early to... What do you get up early to do? Read. Do schoolwork. Eat. My favorite thoughts are about... That one's easy. My students. I miss you guys. My favorite color is turquoise. Here's our high frequency word review. Another, climb, full, great. Oops, there we go. Pour, through, for, large. None, only, put, round. Began, better, guess, learn. Right, sure, color, early, those are our new ones this week. Instead, nothing, oh, thought. Well, that's the end of our lesson for today. Bye, take care, make sure you're reading every day.